I got a little bit pain. Hello, this is Patrick from Korea. Today, I'm going to have look Nasi Lemak. Finally, most important the food in Malaysia, Nasi Lemak. I'm going to try, and I'm ready to use my right hand in my life first time. Let me try the Nasi Lemak with my right hand, and let's go. Yay, this is Nasi Lemak, representative of Malaysian food and my favorite. Ayam and telur and Nasi Lemak and sambal and nuts and anchovies. Here finally I am going to have Nasi Lemak. Yay! I'm going to try Nasi Lemak by hand. The first one I need to talk to, I am left-hander, so sometimes I'm confusing using left or right hand. That's why I try to not to confuse, and then I quite want to take the video for using the hands to it. I'm sorry about that, you wait for a long time. And today is the day I'm going to practice my right hand. Okay, let me try. The Nasi Lemak with, oh, it's hot, you know? Actually, it's quite really hot. Maybe you have some, you won't know how to handle the hot. Here sambal has got a little bit sour. Actually, this place is one of the famous places for the Nasi Lemak in city center. It's really nice. Actually, it's sour. It's a little bit watery. I mean, my experience of the sambal sauce is quite thick, but here it's more about the watery of the sauce. But the sauce, the taste of the balance, absolutely nice sambal. You know, I'm still left-hander. I'm quite confusing that. I try to not to use the left hand. You know, the whole bit that I try to use it. And did you see my t-shirt? This is Love Nasi Lemak. I just waited for this t-shirt that I'm going to record Nasi Lemak. Yay! Today I'm going to be more closer to Malaysian style. The filling is not easy to use. On the hand, the taste, I can feel more like natural taste. With the chopstick, sometimes you know the feeling of the cold and the iron feeling. But here, it's absolutely natural. That's the advantages. Nasi Lemak is the very basic. It's not meaning of chicken, it's not meaning of the anchovy. Nasi Lemak is absolutely about the rice with coconut water, and they cook together, and with the sambal. And mostly the really nice Nasi Lemak means good rice with coconut water and super nice, super great sambal. And here this place, I could comment that. And here I'd like to have some nuts, and actually with Nasi Lemak with nut, it's a very good combination, and it gives more rich textures a lot. I love this chain. You know, also some of subscribers already comment to me, Korean people tend to eat a big bite by spoon. If I use hand, actually maybe I don't have skills to make a big bite, but in case it's good for digest, that I'm going to eat the portion I can have just enoughly, not oversized. Still mind this angle, the way of angle is not properly controlled yet, but step by step I'm going to try to use it. The flavor of the coconut milk is super amazing. I love this place. So yummy. Chicken is just so. The chicken You can get more curry powder flavor. And one of big bite by hand. This is absolutely first time that I use right, even including spoon, not only naturally the right hand. I got a little bit pain, whereas like I do cough my necks. So you're going to make it a little bit like the bunch, then you grab it. So yummy with peanut. Oh, let me go. Finally, I finish all of them. Yay. Finally, I finished all. In conclusion, it's not that weird I use the right hand. The beginning I thought maybe gonna be super weird, but no, it's okay. For me, maybe it was quite natural, and I could take some advantage that I'm going to use the hands. It's more natural feeling and being like more the Malaysian style. I love that. I'm going to be part of Malaysia here. I enjoy that culture. So superbly nice. Finally finished all. Thank you for watching and have a good day. 오늘도 잘 먹었습니다. Bye bye.